Now let's discuss the last component of PostgreSQL database architecture, that is storage area. So physical storage area in the PostgreSQL is where the database store its data files, wall files, and the system catalogs. So first physical file is the data files. So data file in the PostgreSQL are typically stored in the binary format, optimized for efficient storage and retrieval for the database records. So in the data files, PostgreSQL store the actual data of our database, just like our tables, our indexes, our packages, our functions, our triggers, and all objects of our database are stored in the data files. Now, wall file is one of the most important physical file of PostgreSQL database. So PostgreSQL is not write any changes directly to the data files. It performs changes in the wall buffer, and the wall writer background process read the wall buffer and write these changes in the wall files. So wall files store a sequential record of all changes made to the database. Before modifications are written to the main data files, corresponding wall records are written to the wall files. So changes like any DDL operation, any DML operation, so any type of changes in the database, in the PostgreSQL database, is first write in the wall file. Then these changes write to our data files. There are some purpose of wall files. First one is durability and data integrity. Durability, just like the wall file, ensure that all changes to the data file are logged before they are actually written to the data files. This is a crucial for the asset property of durability, ensuring that committed transactions are not lost even system crash. And if we talk about data integrity, by recording every changes made to the data file, wall file uh, by recording every changes made to the database, wall file help maintain a consistent state. Make sure that the database can be stored to the last committed state after the crash. And second one is crash recovery. In event of system crash, power failure, Postgres can use the wall file to recover the database. And third one purpose is also for the replication. So wall file are also used for the replication purpose. Streaming replication in Postgres relies on the continuous shipping wall records to the standby service, which then replay this record to maintain up-to-date copy of the database. And fourth one is the point-in-time recovery. Wall file enable point-in-time recovery, allowing database to restore the specific moment in the past. So there are some purposes of the wall files. So third one is archive file. This is also important physical file of PostgreSQL database. Basically, it's just a copy of our wall files. So archive file refer the wall file that are periodically archived to an external storage location for the backup, point-in-time recovery, and for the replication purpose. We can store our archive file for the long store of our backup as well, and just replay this archive file, and we can restore and recover our database in some point of time. So we can perform point in time recovery by the use of these archive files.